back to another video, guys. In the video, as you can see, the dashboard will come up with a dynamic fault. This is a Range Rover Sport 2016. It's coming up with the right rear. This is the diagnostic, and this is what it says: the solenoid damper. Now, they are known for ripped wire, damaged wire, should we say, more than the sensor being faulty, like here in my hands. You've got these dampers, these sensors on all 4 suspensions. Now, this one is to be found, this fault code is to be found on the boot side, so in the rear. Get into the boot, there's these 2 bolts you open, and here is where it lays, and you can see it has been ripped, broken, as in torn apart. Hence why we're getting this fault code on the dashboard. It's pretty damn easy. Rewire it, done and dusted, no more issue. The sensor itself is fine. Remember, you've got one here, you've got 2 more for the front. One here, as you can see, and you've got one here as well. They are known for braking. It's just due to the vibration and the way it sits in the vehicle, especially in the boot, how the boot kind of, can I explain? It's these, and the pressure of the boot itself, like these mats and whatnot, will cause it. But vibration is the main thing that will cause the ripness. Pop it on, done, dusted. If it doesn't work, just buy a sensor and that'll cure it as well.